The next thing which becomes very important for working smarter is being perfectly organized. How can you be perfectly organized? And simple things again, which will make you more organized. You need to know exactly how you want to spend your time, because your time dictates also how organized you are. And learn to say no. Too many times we find ourselves spending time on things that other people want us to spend time, instead of spending time on things that we think are important for us. So try to say no, because you're not here to complete the agenda of other people. You're here to complete your own agenda. That's more important. So try to say no to people who will come to you with requests on how they will waste your time. And too many times, if you're focused and orientated on your goals, you know exactly what they are asking you to do doesn't help you achieve your goals and objectives. Say no, leave it for later, because you need to focus on yourself. And you cannot spend your time helping others before you help yourself. I'm not saying you shouldn't help others, but you need to find the right time and day when you are able to do this without hampering your own goals and objectives. Okay? Next, we need to know exactly what people want from us. Okay? It's easier for us to say no when we ask them exactly what they want. Why they ask us for a meeting? Why do they want to have a coffee with us? It's clear if we know exactly what the objective is, so that we don't waste our time with somebody who just wants some favor or something. Imagine somebody calling you, I want to buy you a coffee today. Why? You didn't buy me a coffee 5 years, and now all of a sudden you want to buy me a coffee? Good luck. This person wants to buy you a coffee, but ask for something in return. Okay? So be aware of how you say no to people and what people are important to you. Also keep in mind who are the people that you're spending most of your time with. And this has a big impact on how you work and how you routine yourself. Because if you spend your time with disorganized people, this has a big impact on you. You will also become disorganized like them, because you suddenly start to inhibit their work patterns and their lazy habits, and this becomes part of your work routine. So try not to procrastinate as well. That's very important. Leaving important and urgent tasks for later is not the way. Procrastination is something that we all experienced when we were students, but procrastination doesn't help you achieve your goals and objectives. Also, keep in mind that you don't need to be a perfectionist. Too many times we are wasting too much time because we think we need to complete every task with a perfectionism. No, not necessarily. We need to be successful in completing every task. We need to have the right quality, but not necessarily be perfect, because nobody will ask us to be perfect.